Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can build and upgrade a stable in Assassin's Creed Shadows, okay? Now, it's important to notice that you don't actually need to build stable. It's already going to be built once you unlock your hideout, okay? Your main base camp, which is pretty much the start of the game, okay? Keep in mind that your hideout is always here, okay? And you can just fast travel to it, okay? Now, stables are important for two reasons, okay? First of all, after the end of each season, you're going to get a bunch of resources, a bunch of goodies from your unused scouts that you can collect in this, loot chest here. Okay, so after each season ends, just come here and just collect the goodies that your, scouts, gave you. Okay, which is easily going to give you certain money or certain resources in general. Now, they're also going to be good because once you upgrade to the level 2 and 3 and so on, you're going to be able to reduce the cost of the scouts that you need to unlock certain smuggling or certain loots. Okay, so when you're basically raiding a certain castle, for example, you're gonna have certain resources stockpiles that you can smuggle if you use a certain amount of scouts. Okay, and this is gonna reduce the cost of it, which is massive. Okay, actually, you might have found that you cannot even smuggle certain stockpiles because you don't have enough scouts, because it basically requires two and you only have one, for example, right? So this is going to reduce the cost by each level that you upgrade here. Okay, so just come to your table, press E, and then we're just going to select our stable, which is actually this one here. We're just going to click on it, and we're going to select this icon, which is upgrade. And then you want to get it to level 2 and to level 3, okay, as soon as you can. Okay, so this is one of the most important things that you can do in your hideout, okay? So at least make sure that it's, level 2, right? So just click on upgrade, and let's actually press escape now, and that's pretty much it. Thank you so much, guys.